Paige Lobdell live in the Region Center for the off-season update. Just 5 days until February 1st, which marks the start of practice for the 2013-2014 LCSB team. I'm here with two freshmen, the tallest freshman on the team, Lexi Erickson, and the shortest freshman on the team, Sarah Nelson. Sarah, what made you choose Luther and want to be a part of the softball program?
Well, I came here and I love the school, and then when I came for my overnight, I could just see the team chemistry and how hard everyone works, and I just want to be part of it.
And Lexi, you're also a member of the Luther College volleyball team. What's it like transitioning from volleyball to softball?
It was really great being a part of the volleyball team. I got to play in some games, so that makes me less nervous going into softball, knowing how the college level playing experience is, and now I'm really excited to be with this team as well.
Okay, Sarah, 5 days left until you begin your first year with the Luther College softball team for real. How are you feeling?
A little nervous, mostly excited. I can't wait to just play with everyone and get to practice and have feedback from the coaches and try to get better for season.
What about you, Lexi?
I'm really anxious, but I'm excited to get everyone together and show everyone how hard we've been working in the off-season.
All right, now Sarah, with season coming up, is there any particular part of season that you're most looking forward to?
I'm really excited for Florida, I'm not going to lie. I can't wait to get to that warm weather. Be a big change from now.
All right, so Lexi, you stand at 6 foot. What is the best part, or what's it like being the tallest freshman on the team?
I feel like I can be a little intimidating, especially with the two seniors, Becca and Had. I can kind of look down on them, so.
Good answer! And Sarah, standing at 5'2", what's it like being the shortest freshman on the team?
Well, when we line up shortest to tallest, I always know where to go.
There you go, small but mighty. All right, thank you for tuning in for the off-season update. Lexi Erickson, Sarah Nelson, two freshmen. I'm Paige Lobdell. 5 days till the first practice. We can't wait.